It's a facial that will treat all side effects of urban living. So exposure to stress, to pollution, poor eating habits, and mainly free radicals. We're going to start to do this facial with a cotton cleanser. We apply cleanser all over the face and massage it, face, neck and décolleté, dissolving by temperature of our skin. When we use this cleanser, we never use water. We just apply it and massage it, and as you can see under the fingers, this cleanser gets totally dissolved into the skin. And then we're not going to wash it off or wipe it off. We take papaya powder. We take a little bit of papaya powder on the palm of our hand, mix with a little bit water, and massaging over the cleanser. Papaya powder have amazing detoxifying result. It will pull impurities from the skin, also will take a lot of toxics out. Wiping off, and then we're going to use 3 exfoliants. We're going to use procedure that's called manual microdermabrasion. In a manual microdermabrasion, we're going to use 3 exfoliants, starting from the very mild and kind of increase intensity of the exfoliation. So first we put marine scrub. Marine scrub, it's the mildest exfoliant. We're applying and massaging, dissolving by temperature of our skin, massaging all over, and then we're going to add serum, AHA lotion. Serum, it's a combination of glycolic and malic acid. It's a natural source because glycolic comes from sugarcane and malic acid comes from apples and berries. Natural exfoliants, natural acids, they're much more tolerant to the skin than synthesized acids. So when we add New Age serum to exfoliant, it turns in type of gel. Then we're not going to wash it off or wipe it off. We're going to layer another exfoliant that's called moringa peel. Moringa peel, it's a combination of minerals from Dead Sea combined with moringa oil. Moringa oil, it's an oil that have a lot of energy, so it helps a lot of regenerating and rejuvenating of the skin, restoring this texture of the skin. We're applying exfoliant, and then we again add AHA lotion, combination of glycolic and malic acid. We add few drops, and we're massaging together with the exfoliant. And then we move with the third exfoliant that's called Planta Minerals. Planta Minerals, it's a minerals from Dead Sea combined with essential oils. You put 1/4 teaspoon of the Planta Minerals on the palm of your hand, and add little few drops of the serum and layering on top. So you have 3 layers. You have first marine scrub, second that's moringa peel, and third one it's Planta Minerals. You massage them together. All this procedure takes from 5 to 7 minutes. Massage them together, then you take a little bit water by your fingertips, add 2 to 3 exfoliants, dissolve them with the water. So when you add water to this combination, you will neutralize the acid, and then you wash it off with lots of water. When we do 3 exfoliants, this procedure we call manual microdermabrasion, and it's a very good procedure that can be used for any skin type, any age, and can be amazingly used before any treatment. So idea of this manual microdermabrasion, so first of all, it's detoxifying skin. So really attracts a lot of toxics and detoxifying skin. And of course it's a polishing skin, brings a lot of positive energy, but we don't really care about dead cells. Dead cells, they will fail anyway, but what is very important, it's detoxification. Okay, after we did manual microdermabrasion, we did a very good cleansing, and then we did manual microdermabrasion as a deeper cleansing, and now we're going to use toner. Moisture Splash Toner, it's very good toner. It's based on a hyaluronic acid and minerals from Dead Sea. And it brings a lot of moisture and hold moisture from evaporation. It's also a retail product, and we recommend our clients to use it, even spray on the makeup, to use as a toner, or even spray on the makeup, to use as a toner or spray on the makeup during a day, or just to make a cloud and step in, as a Coco Chanel used to do. So we use toner on face, neck and décolleté. So we're going to use product that called Calma Gel, something that will hydrate skin. So 95% people in North America have dehydrated skin. Calma Gel, it's extract of Edelweiss. Edelweiss, it's a flower that's growing in the Swiss Alps that have soothing, moisturizing, healing and anti-aging properties because the flower blooming under the snow. We use Calma Gel for many different reasons, but one for now we're using as the hydrating compress. We use Calma Gel all over. So Calma Gel works as a disincrustation agent. Disincrustation means it will buff skin, so it will reduce sensitivity, make skin very hydrated, and also will be easy to do extractions. So it softens skin amazingly. We applied Calma Gel first in a layer a little bit thicker than cream, and then we will take cotton pads and we will cover eyes. You always have to ask client if they claustrophobic or not. If they are, so just don't close their eyes. You still can do this compress, but don't close the eyes. If they okay, it's a very good compress for hydration. Reason why we do it this way, we do Calma Gel, then we do saran wrap, and we're going to cover it with a towel, because it's a very traditional European way to do compress. We put saran wrap all over the face and neck, leaving hole for nose, and usually we close lips. If a person feel uncomfortable, we can open lips open, but we can keep lips open, but it's a really good idea to keep lips closed because it hydrates skin very well. And then we take towel, not wet, not hot, just a dry towel, and we do compress, keeping nose open. So we use towel, we cover face, and we keep this compress. We keep this compress for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, we take towel off, and then if we need to do extractions, so we do extractions by opening face part by part. So we open nose and cheeks, and we do extractions. We open part by part, and we're doing extractions. We don't need to wash it off, we're just wiping off. We do extractions, we go all over the face, and after that we'll do disinfection. One of the exfoliants that we use in the procedure manual microdermabrasion, we're going to use for disinfection. So plant and minerals we're going to use for disinfection. We take a little bit of minerals on the palm of our hands, add a little bit water, just to make fingertips wet. Mixing together, and we will pass it all over. Person will feel a little bit tingling, a little bit burning, but it's not a reaction. What person feels, it's just disinfection. We go all over face, neck and décolleté, and then we're going to wash it off with lots of water. We need to relax the muscles and to do massage. So we're going to mix 3 components. First of all, it's a hydration serum that have hyaluronic acid and pieces of the silk in it. Second, we're going to use balancer. Balancer, it's a very hydrating and soothing agent. So we're using it because a lot of people today experience with the sensitivity. So balancer will take away any potential sensitivity, any allergic reaction. And we're also going to mix with the massage cream oil. So we add massage cream oil to the mixture, and we're going to prepare our natural mineral water. For mineral water, we're going to use Planta minerals and distilled water. Planta minerals, it's a minerals that from the Dead Sea. So in Planta minerals, we have magnesium, calcium, bromine, zinc, all essential minerals that we need to keep skin lifted, firm, and plumped. On a 125 ml of distilled water, we're going to use flat teaspoon of the Planta minerals. So we're going to prepare our natural mineral water that have excellent ability to push in the skin everything that we put before and to pull with it everything that we're putting after. So when we do massage, we keep adding this mineral water, using Planta mineral water that firm and plump skin. You can see how lifted, firm, and radiant skin became under your fingertips. The tonus and turgor will be dramatically increased. We're going to use mask called halva, mixing together. First of all, it's a serum that have hyaluronic acid and pieces of silk in it. It's a very good serum that brings lots of hydrations. So we apply the serum all over the face and neck. The serum can be used for any skin type, for any age. It's very good lifting, firming, hydrating serum. It's like a glass of water for the skin. First of all, it's a hydration serum that can be used as a glass of water for the skin. Then on top, we're going to use mask that's called halva. It's a very good nourishing mask that's based on sesame seeds protein. This mask will deliver essential nutrients to the skin. It's not a heavy mask, but at the same time, very, very essential mask because it brings essential nutrients to the skin. And we're finishing this facial, so we apply this mask, we keep it on the face for 10 minutes. So we apply this mask, and then we will apply it on top, peel-off mask, that's called 7 Eco Herbs. 7 Eco Herbs, it's a mask that does detox. It's 7 organic ingredients that have been combined, dry and powdered, according to Tibetan, Chinese, and Ayurvedic medicine. 7 Eco Herbs, it's a mask that combines 7 organic ingredients according to Tibetan, Chinese, and Ayurvedic medicine to do detox, deep detox. So those 7 Eco Herbs, they will attract toxins created by pollution and free radicals. And then we're mixing this mask, 1 measuring cup of the powder with 1 measuring cup of the cold water. We're applying this mask all over face and neck, also covering the eyes. You always have to ask client if they're claustrophobic or not. And if they are, you just can keep eyes open. But if they don't, afraid to be with the mask and close eyes, so it's an excellent mask that can be put over eyes. When you remove this mask, eyes will look very sparkly because the mask will take away stress and tiredness from the eyes, puffiness, dark circles. We're going to wait with this mask 10-15 minutes. We don't wash skin after this treatment. We just take pieces of the mask. And then on top we're going to put eye cream, very good lifting, firming cream. And we're going to finish with the cream Calmine. Calmine is a very good day cream that can be used as a finishing because it's very good for sensitive skin. It's very soothing, calming. And after that, we again will finish with the cream with the sunscreen. As you can see, after facial, skin became very lifted, firm, radiant. really glowing.